Christmas, we're home to visit you in New York. And New York doesn't usually have tornadoes. And now, all of a sudden, there's a tornado.
Hurricane Sandy, what they call it.
Sandy?
It's not a tornado, by the way.
Biscuits! And our parents aren't even home.
They never are here. It's my college.
Well, I'm gonna make this fun while I'm at it. Catch me, brother! Ow! I just hit my foot on the ball. No. I can't move.
Mal!
I can't.
Why do you hurt the Huskers when you don't even...
Because I like corn. Mute. Basket, books, and bake shred. Sounds good. Let me eat one. Tastes like cat shit.
You tasted cat shit before.
Shut up. I'm gonna call room service.
This is college.
Are you telling me your college not serve you food?
No.
I don't.
You walk and get it.
I know that story. That's why there's that one kid named Martin that loves you that I'll call and tell him to go get you food on his magical horse.
Yay, Chinese food. I don't want Chinese food.
What is Martin's room number?
I don't know.
Mal!
Oh, more mail. It's a wireless device you need. I bet Martin's number's in it. I think it's different. A cellular device. I'm gonna call somebody.
Where you going?
Martin!
Martin, he's not gonna know us.
Martin.
Hello, Martin! Why you bring me some ravioli?
Martin, bring us Chinese food. That's what Rufus wants.
That's our kitty cat. Bring us some Chinese food. That's what our cat Rufus wants.
Martin, just bring us some food.
Martin.
What?
We like some ravioli with that too.
Martin, just bring us some.
We're stuck in Hurricane Candy and we need food.
It's Sandy.
Sandy and we need food.
In New York.
Send us some Chinese food or I send the Korean ambassadors after you. He hung up on me. What is wrong with Martin? Nobody hangs up on me. My mom needs that. Mom needs that. She lives in New York. I got lost.
She lives in California.
What's the purpose? So, Martin wouldn't bring us ravioli or Chinese.
Sorry.
What's wrong with this race? So, how is life with that hoodlum?
Conrad.
Falters. We can all play this stupid game. But I want to know. We are stuck in Hurricane Sandy, and we need things to entertain us. Whoa! Does he like dogs?
I don't know. Does he want to play dog?
Is he obese? He's as fat as the world. Oh wait, our world's gonna be destroyed because Obama's our president.
Martin! Martin!
Hello?
Martin!
Martin!
Bring us some Chinese and raviolis!
And some lemonade.
Who
Who is this?
It's not Martin!
Yeah, please. Wait, how'd they get my number? And I know it was me. Okay, listen to this, girlfriend. They hung up on him. Stupid Martin. Martin Luther King Jr. That guy was a good man.
Better than Obama.
She's the queen of the waves. Tell me if this hurts. Oh, that hurts. Hey. Sad. The waves are taking me. Mom says I'm mental. Is that good?
Sure.
You make candles.
Bring one to Mom.
Probably sucked her up and vacuumed her out.
And Dad.
Question. Why is Mom's candle bigger than Dad's candle?
I like Mom better.
This one smells like horse crap, and this one smells like bunny crap.
The
You should
lid's on.
consider.
The lid's on.
Still smells like horse crap.
I'm sorry.
Smells like fairy poop. I'm disgusting on my lip. Anyways, I suggest you give this one to Mommy. Who are you talking to? It's a Hurricane Candy and
Sandy.
Sandy, and you have no wireless internet connection. Sci-fi. I meant Wi-Fi. Who are you talking to too? Are you talking to each other? Right across the table? Huh? I can play that game too. You're ringing.
Hello?
Do you hear me?
No.
I hear you.
I'm right next to you.
Okay. I didn't even call you. I forgot to push call. Anyways.
She called me.
I hear the storm. Crud cakes. You broke your own candle.